This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 6291. It is in like new condition. It is a brand new chassis with miles under 100. The chassis is a Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is a two-wheel drive. The engine is gasoline V10. The overall length is 265 inches. The overall height is 105. Interior headroom is 72. It is a Medtec module. It has new paint. It has all new rotary latches on all compartment doors. It has new gaskets. It has a new Carson siren and speakers, new LEDs inside and out. It also has a new trip light inverter and charger, and also a new HVAC system. It is a new E450 V10 gasoline. The body configuration has left front oxygen storage, the left forward compartment has additional storage, and also a shelf. It's adjustable. The left rear compartment has inside and outside access. It also has adjustable shelves. There are two. The load height is 30 3/4 inches, and that is without any cargo or a full fuel load. It also has a flip-up rear step. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat. It has storage aft, above, and forward. It also has an action area ahead of the left side attendant seat. Power distribution quarters is behind the new attendant seat. It is a Type 3 configuration. It also has a new console, new panel, new LED switches, a new Carson siren. Also has spaces for additional options if needed. It has a locking ALS cabinet, also a drawer, inside outside access to the upper and lower portions of the ALS cabinet. Additional storage above the squad bench. The right rear compartment is for backboards. It also has a small storage compartment just ahead of that. All of the compartments are lit. As mentioned before, it has an inside-outside access ALS cabinet. It has one battery under hood and also one battery in the compartment. If you have questions or would like additional information on Unit 6291, please call 1-833-REMOUNT or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.